बच्चों, how are you? I hope you all are doing fine. So are you ready to listen about the new story? I have a new story, The Way of Saying, about this King Akbar and his wise minister Birbal. So do you want to listen that story? In the story, we will hear about King Akbar and his wise minister Birbal and how Birbal uses his skills to make Akbar happy. कैसे वो अपने राजा अकबर को खुश करने में लगे रहते थे. सुनना चाहेंगे आप? Are you ready? So let's start up. How have you ever read stories about Akbar and his clever minister Birbal? Which one is your favorite and why? Let's start reading. Many stories are popular about Akbar, the great king. आपने नाम जरूर सुना होगा. And his minister Birbal, a witty and clever man. Witty, clever and amusing. Fun भी करवाते थे और बहुत clever भी थे. We shall relate you one. Okay? मैं एक story उनके बारे में आपको सुनाने जा रही हूँ. One night, Akbar dreamed that all his teeth except the one in front had fallen. राजा अकबर को एक सपना आया कि उनके सारे दांत टूट गए हैं, सिर्फ एक दांत को छोड़कर, जो कि फ्रंट में था. He was greatly worried at his dream and could not sleep well for rest of the night. सारी रात उन्हें नींद ही नहीं आई सोच सोचकर कि मेरा तो एक तीत रह गया, सारे दांत टूट गए. In the morning, he sent for the astrologer and asked him to interpret the dream. उससे गए, एस्ट्रोलॉजर समझते हो ना, जो हमें हमारे फ्यूचर के बारे में, हमारी जो हमारा चल रहा है, क्या चल रहा है हमारी ज़िंदगी में, उसके बारे में बताते हैं, राइट? तो उन्होंने बोला, टेल मी द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस ड्रीम, जो मैंने रात को ये ड्रीम देखा है. एस्ट्रोलॉजर कैलकुलेटेड, उसने सब अपना फिंगर्स पे कैलकुलेट किया on his finger and declared, this would bring ill luck. It means that all members of your family would die before you. उसने बोला, ये तो तुम्हारा बैड लक लाने वाला है और सब मेंबर्स आपके फैमिली के मरने वाले हैं आपसे पहले. Hearing this, the king was very displeased with the astrologer. He raised in fury. उसको बहुत गुस्सा आया. उन्होंने क्या बोला? At once ordered his attendants, take this astrologer and throw him before a mad elephant. He must be crushed under its feet before the day is out. ले जाओ इस एस्ट्रोलॉजर को और हाथियों के सामने डाल दो, पागल हाथियों के सामने डाल दो और उनके पैरों के नीचे कुचलवा दो. My God, the astrologer was forcibly taken away. उसको फोर्स, अपने आप तो नहीं जा रहे थे ना, खींच खींच कर उन्हें ले जाया गया. After some time, Birbal came and saluted, salute किया. किसे salute किया? King को. Akbar narrated him his dream and said, tell me what it means. Birbal thought for a while and said, this dream is quite lucky. It means that you have a very long life and none of your family members would live longer than you. Wow, क्या तरीका था कहने का, है ना? सेम बात अकबर के जो मिनिस्टर थे उन्होंने भी बोली और सेम बात एस्ट्रोलॉजर ने भी बोली, लेकिन कहने का तरीका तो अलग था. हमारे चैप्टर का टाइटल भी तो यही है ना, बात को कहने का तरीका. तो बीरबल ने कहा, वाह, ये ड्रीम तो आपका बहुत लकी है आपके लिए. आप तो सबसे, आपकी उम्र तो बहुत लंबी है, आपके घर का कोई भी मेंबर आपसे ज़्यादा जीने वाला नहीं है, आप ही सबसे ज़्यादा जियोगे. Akbar was pleased at this. He said, I am pleased with your reply. I'll give you a fine elephant in reward. मैं तुम्हें एक बहुत अच्छा हाथी देने वाला हूँ इनाम में. You may see that both the astrologer and Birbal said the same thing, but there was different in the way the two said it. जब भी आपको किसी को कोई बात बोलनी है बच्चों, the moral of the story, जब भी आप किसी को कोई बात बोलें तो स्ट्रेट वे, अगर उनको कोई बात ऐसी है जो उनको बुरा लगने वाली है तो स्ट्रेट वे ना कहें, उसको कहने का तरीका सीखें कि किस तरह से हम उस पर्सन को रियलाइज़ करवा सकते हैं और उस बात को भी उन तक पहुंचा सकते हैं. आई होप आप समझ गए होंगे और जो भी आपने चैप्टर में पढ़ा है आइए प्रैक्टिस कर लेते हैं. through exercises. Tick the correct option. Birbal was a witty and clever both. Okay, man. Do all likewise all fill in the blanks. The king in the story is named Akbar. Do all. Write T for true, F for false statement. Birbal was known for his witty and clever nature. Yes, true. Answer the following questions. Who was Birbal? Birbal was the minister of Akbar, the king Akbar. Okay. Likewise, you have to do all the questions. What do you think Birbal is said to be witty and clever man? Why do you think so that Birbal is said to be a witty and clever man? Play with words, bachcho. Make the sentences of these words which are given to you, and you have to match the following words with their opposites. Suppose I am talking about brave, coward. Yes, darpok and brave. Grammar in use. Yes, we have used the topic adverb in this chapter, which means describe or modify verb. Okay, जो verb को modify करे या describe करे उसको adverb बोलते हैं. Adjectives or other adverbs, they provide more information about how, when, where or to what extent an action or quality is happening. Fill in the blanks according to that. For example, the bird sings. कैसे birds गा रहे हैं? In the morning. Okay, happily you can say, right? Okay, underline the adverbs in the following sentences. You have to enrich your skills by speak out. Is there a tree growing near house? Is there a tree growing near house? Tell us about the tree. Is it big or small? Or do you like the tree? What is the name of the tree? बताइए इस ट्री का नाम क्या है और क्या कोई ट्री ऐसा है जो आपके घर के आसपास उग रहा है, बड़ा है या छोटा है, कोई सब बताना है. So in writing part, how do you feel in the given situation? One is sad and one is happy. Write your reactions and also draw those reactions in the space given on the next page. Right? Hands on fun. क्या करेंगे आप इन pictures में? With their names you have to match them, and the first one is done for you. So बच्चों, while doing this activity, have fun and enjoy.